Hi everyone, it's Danielle with Northlawn Flower Farms. Today I want to talk about how to hydrate wilt-prone flowers. Some flowers just tend to wilt in the vase if we don't condition them a certain way. Things like Dara, which I've harvested this morning, this beautiful annual version of Monarda called Lambada, things like basil, scented geranium, mint, honeywort, clematis. There are just some things that tend to melt down if we don't give them specific conditioning. So we are going to condition these flowers today. I picked these flowers early in the morning with clean tools, clean buckets, and clean water. That is always step number one. Now, to hydrate these wilty guys, I'm going to use first a product called Quick Dip. This is choice number one. You have two choices. And Quick Dip helps the stem drink water really quickly, and it also helps the stem from not getting clogged up. And you can order this product from Floralife, or they sell it on Amazon, or you can probably even buy it from a florist. Sometimes they might have it there in the shop. So you just want to pour a couple inches into a jar. Really only need 2 inches. Then we're going to take our stems. We're going to recut the ends. Nice fresh cut. Oh my goodness, a butterfly just landed on these. Can you guys see that? I really hope the camera captured that. So I guess another reason to plant this beautiful lambada is for the butterflies. So let's get it not to wilt in the vase now. So take those fresh cut stems, place them into the Quick Dip, and you only need to put it into the Quick Dip for 1 to 3 seconds. And after that time's up, place it immediately into fresh water. And that's literally all there is to it. Now let's talk about if you don't have any Quick Dip on hand, or maybe you don't want to go and buy Quick Dip. I completely understand that. Just get a jar and use the boiling water method. I boiled some water inside for us. I'm going to place about 2 to 3 inches of boiling water into this glass jar. And we'll go ahead and use the Dara for this. I still can't get over that butterfly. I hope the camera caught that. Once again, recut the stems with clean tools always, and we're going to place it into the boiling water for about 7 to 10 seconds. And I try to angle the blooms to the side here so that they don't have to get steam on their heads. And as I say, this works for so many wilt-prone flowers. Poppies it works especially great for. So after 7 to 10 seconds is all up, you'll see the stem color at the base there where it's under the boiling water actually start to change. And then you can just place it back into cool water. And that is really all there is to it. It's really quite simple. Both methods work wonderfully. I don't really find that one works better than the other, but definitely use one of them when you're working with wilt-prone flowers. Well, I sure hope those tips were helpful, and until next time, happy gardening. Bye!